My name is Adaeze. You are probably wondering how I got to this stage. Well, I was once bright, bubbly, and ambitious even. I had dreams and wants.
Babe, you know I'm late for work.
You like what you see? How about you go late to work?
You asked for it. You asked for it. You asked for it.
Who's that? Oh, baby girl.
Hi, baby.
You look amazing.
You like what you see?
Just come to Papa. Bring it, bring it.
How are you?
I'm fine. So, just relax, okay?
Okay.
I'm fixing something in the kitchen. Let me go check it, okay?
You're cooking.
I am cooking now for you now.
I can't wait to taste
Make
your
yourself
food.
comfortable, okay?
No! I have to join you in the kitchen.
This is...
Maybe I should have made something for both of us, you know.
You should have been, Abby. Today, I decided to make something specially for you.
Is there anything I can help you?
Nothing. Just carry yourself back to the living room. Go back there. Relax. Calm yourself. Your baby is making a masterpiece for you.
Okay. I'll wait for your masterpiece.
Go and relax. Don't come back here, oh.
Baby, I can't wait to test that in your cooking. I'll look for something to play. Baby, come and join me. I'm waiting for you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Baby.
Sweetheart.
That's so good.
So see, me, I want 5 children.
You're not serious.
I'm not even joking right now.
Where will you come out from?
So wait. So how many children do you want to have?
You'll give birth to them yourself. No?
What do you mean by that? Yeah.
So you're saying?
I said 5 children.
Not me.
Oh, what is
We've agreed.
It's
So we've agreed. You get a surrogate mom, 5 children, no problem.
Why not pick your call? I don't think the caller intends to stop calling.
Baby, it's not a problem. It's Rachel. Babe, I'll be right back. Let me take this call. Hi, babe.
Hey, my love. I've been calling for a while now.
I have not been with my phone.
That's okay. I really enjoyed our time this morning. Can you come over tonight?
Not tonight. Rachel came over to my house. She's down with the flu.
Wow. She's seen a doctor?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I miss you.
I miss you too, babe. I have to go now. I need to take care of her.
Okay. All right, bye.
Come in. Who's there? Hi, Jide. What are you doing here?
I came to check on you. And to see my baby girl.
Oh,
She told me you were sick.
sick?
Yeah.
Oh, right. I don't feel very well.
That's okay. Hey, got this for you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good to be here.
Oh, thank you, Jide. Thank you so much. You are so kind.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So where is Adaeze? Are you okay?
Yes. No, yes, I'm fine. It's just the fever. The fever thing is really acting up, but I'm okay.
Okay. Well, she told me she would be home to take care of you. So...
And she was, but then she stepped out to get me some drugs, you know, for the fever, the fever thing. Yeah.
All right, we'll just be here. I'll take care of you here. Keep you company.
No. I mean, I'm a big girl, okay? You don't have to stress it. I'll be all right. I'll be fine.
I insist.
Okay. So, Jide, Adaeze stepped out to get me some herbs from Ketu, you know, and from here to Ketu is like a whole 3 hours drive. Then when she gets to Ketu, to head down to the woman who sells the herbs, it's like another 2 hours drive. So Adaeze is really driving around town. I have no idea when she'll be back. And I don't want to... Yeah.
Wow.
Right. So I don't want to keep you waiting.
All right. I guess I'll take my leave.
Great. Awesome.
Just let her know that I was here.
I will. I'll tell her her baby boo was right here.
Take care.
You too. Adaeze. Ada, you didn't tell me that you told Jide that I wasn't feeling fine when you asked me to come here.
I'm sorry. That was the only excuse I could come up with at the spot. Besides, if I had told you, would you have agreed to do it?
Okay, Adaeze, listen. I know it must feel really nice to be loved by more than one man, but you can't continue. You need to pick one.
I like both men. So why pick one?
Oh.
I can be able to look and see what each of them would bring to the table without being pressured by one. I can also stay objective until I make a decision on which of them best suit me.
Right. So, you know, I think it is really exhausting to date more than one man at the same time. Yes. I mean, it's pretty hard to make out time to see one person, not to talk about two. Come on, Ada. I just feel like it's, you know, more trouble than it's worth. Oh boy. You are so caught up in this freaky game of yours. But you know what? I just really pray that you don't end up the ultimate loser. That's all I have to say.
The risk of being caught is part of the excitement of dating two men.
Oh boy.
You should try it. It's not a big deal, you're just wasting your time.
Me? God forbid.
Why not?
Continue. You're
Saint-
doing well.
Saint Emanuela, I hear you.
Score now. What? No. Babe, please, can you get me water or juice, anyone?
Okay.
But just look at. This was free post, open.
Somebody's at the door.
Yeah, you can get it.
Hello, babe. I was about to call you now.
Oh, okay. Please, I'm at your door. Come on, let me in.
I'm not around. I'm running errands for my supervisor.
When are you going to be done?
Later. I'll come around when I'm done.
All right. See you later.
Babe!
Who was that?
It's nobody. It's just a friend looking to hang out. I already told her I'm not interested. Yeah, it's nothing to worry about.
All right. Hey! No. I always say they need to change it. You see this coach? It's a stupid coach.
Yes. You said so before.
Who's Jide?
I don't understand.
You just called me Jide. Who's Jide?
Did I? I didn't know what I was thinking. That name means nothing to me. Let's continue. What's going on?
What? You just called me Jide.
That name means nothing to me.
I'm not sure I'm entirely convinced about that. Please get off me, please. So,
Baby! Baby, what's going on? Baby! Baby, have I ever lied to you? Baby, I love you so much, and you know I adore you. Your action right now is breaking my heart. How can you even distrust me?
I trust you. Okay? But, I mean, it's just that...
That name means absolutely nothing to me. Baby, I love you so much.
I trust you, babe.
Thank you. Smell. Honestly, the name means nothing.
It's fine.
I don't even know how I said that.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I'm getting a diamond. I mean, after all, diamonds are a girl's best friend, right? Yeah, I understand. A guy's bank account was sending me a beep. Yeah, that's true. But, you know, one thing is for sure. She's definitely worth every penny. Yeah. Well, I've got the details on how everything is going to go down. Yeah. All right, just wish me luck, okay? I said wish me luck now. I'll not be your guy again. All right, bro, man. Thanks, man. All right, later.
Babe, you know I'm late for work.
You like what you see? How about you go late to work?
You asked for it. You asked for it. You asked for it. I think somebody.
Baby.
Sweethearts.
That's so good.
So see, me, I want 5 children.
You're not serious.
I'm not even joking right
Where
now.
will you come out from?
So wait. So how many children do you want to have?
You give birth to them yourself. no?
What do you mean by that? Yeah.
So you're saying
I said 5 children.
not me.
Oh, what is it?
We've agreed.
Is
So we've agreed. You get a surrogate mom, 5 children, no problem.
why not pick your call? I don't think the caller intends to stop calling.
Babe, it's not a problem, it's Rachel. Babe, I'll be right back. Let me take this call. Hi, babe.
Hey, my love. I've been calling for a while now.
I have not been with my phone.
That's okay. I really enjoyed our time this morning. Can you come over tonight?
Not tonight. Rachel came over to my house. She's down with the flu.
She's seen a doctor?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I miss you.
I miss you too, babe. I have to go now. I need to take care of her.
Okay. All right, bye.
I'm good, Rachel. How are you? I'm pregnant. The father. Jide Bolanle, I guess. Please don't lecture me. I'll tell them. I'll be fine. Yeah, I'll be fine. I'll call you later. Bye.
Hello? Hey, babe.
Hey, babe, I've been calling.
I'm so sorry. I was in the shower.
How is your trip? When will you return?
Should be back next week. Hey, don't worry. I'll be back very soon, okay?
I've missed you. I miss you so much.
Oh, I miss you too. You know that.
Babe, I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
You're happy?
You're pregnant? Oh my God! You're pregnant! God, babe! This is good news! Baby girl, you've just made me a happy man. I can't wait to come back. You're pregnant!
I'm so happy. Baby, hurry up and return.
I will.
I love you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
Yes! I am a father. What?
Perfect. Food. Okay, so let's see. This looks really nice. I'm actually ready now. The work is done. Where's the ring? Where did I keep this ring? I thought I kept it in my pocket. This cannot be happening. Wait. Oh my God, this is not happening right now. Where did I drop this ring? Hey. Okay, let's put this back here. Okay. Okay, let's get dressed now.
Baby. What's going on here?
You like it?
What's the occasion?
Baby. Okay, let's do this. Baby, you make me feel complete, loved, and special. You are the woman of my dreams. And I know without a single doubt in my heart that you are the one for me. Asamo. My tomato juice. Will you marry me? Baby.
Yes! Yes, I'm married! I'm married!
Yeah, come here.
Baby, this is so beautiful. I'm married. We have to celebrate.
You just made me the most happiest man on earth. You love it?
Yeah, I love it. Baby, I need to tell you something.
Okay.
We're having a baby.
Me? I'm going to be a father?
Yes. You're happy?
I'm going to be a father!
Yes, baby! I'm so happy.
Thank you so much.
This is beautiful.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
You mean there's a baby in here right now?
Yes, baby.
Yes. Okay. I don't think it's time for this yet. Thank you. You just made me the most luckiest man on earth. I love you so much.
Hey, babe. I need you to calm down now. Like, come outside. Yes.
Yeah, I'm coming. Baby! You're supposed to be in Abuja. What are you doing here?
I am here. This I got this for you.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Like it?
Yeah.
Adaeze, from the first day I set my eyes on you, I've known nothing but happiness and smile. Please, allow me to be the reason why you smile every day. Will you marry me? Don't say no, please.
Yes. Yes. I'll marry you.
Come here.
I'll marry you.
I love you and our baby.
I love you too. Hold on, I'm coming. What is this? Can you fix this?
I can't understand what exactly is going on. Let me see it.
You're so beautiful. Oh my God. You don't bother to propose to me at the same time.
Like both of them?
yeah.
God.
Happy.
You're about to be a Mrs. Go girl, go girl, go girl, go girl. God, it is beautiful. But what are you going to do now?
I guess I'll wait to see which of them who steps up first.
Whatever. At least you get to marry one. All right. Right.
I can see that, right? You know, it's not easy to be proposed to by two men.
It's not easy, girl.
Can you
got
beat that?
award-winning. Nobody can. Look at you. Girl, it is beautiful.
I'm so happy. Let's celebrate.
Let's drink to that. Let's drink to that. Woo! Nobody can beat that. Oh, Daisy, I'm so happy for you. Come on.
Babe, I want us to go see my parents over the weekend.
Have you told them about us?
Yes. As a matter of fact, they're expecting us. Look, I know it's impromptu, but you can make it.
Okay.
Okay?
I will.
Awesome. All right. You have to start going now.
Who is there? Babe! Your hair.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Well, what's been happening? I've been trying to reach you.
I've been swamped up with so much work that I completely forgot to return your calls.
It's fine. I understand. I have good news. Okay? My parents want to meet you this weekend.
This weekend?
What's the problem?
I'm not ready. I have something to do this weekend.
Don't worry. Don't worry about that, okay? They're actually very eager to meet you.
Sit down. Babe, I'm happy to meet your parents.
What's the problem?
But you should have confirmed for me before making plans. I can't make it.
I thought you'd be delighted to meet my parents.
Yes,
Then what's the problem?
I'm happy to meet them, but I have a business trip. I have a deal to close this weekend and it's so important. Babe, I can meet them some other time.
I understand that. I understand you have a business trip, but you can have someone else go in your place now.
There's
Yeah.
no way around it. But babe, I can meet your parents some other time. Babe.
It's fine. I'll talk to them. That's okay.
I know you always understand. I'm so sorry. I can always meet them some other time.
Hey, it's fine. I'll explain to them.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. It's fine, okay?
Oh, I'll meet your
No problem.
parents.
Let's go and sit down. Hello? What the hell are you talking about? Okay. Okay, let me look it up, okay? What?
Money. No, now. No, why?
Mommy, this scent is heavenly. Let me have some.
You have to wait until the guests arrive.
Oh, Mommy, a big by me. Oh, so I have to start until Jide comes with his fiancée.
Calm down. Well, give me that salt over there. Be fast, quick. Call your brother and ask him when they are arriving.
Okay. Hello. Jaido. How far now? Where on day? Okay. Okay, see you soon. He went to pick his fiancée. They'll soon be here.
Okay.
Mommy, sure you get ready soon. You'll change soon, Mommy.
Yes, trust me.
Hello? What? I have not forgotten. I'll be there soon, okay? I'll be there. Please don't call me again.
Is this dress appropriate?
Ada, the dress is fine.
I think the color is off. Should I choose something else?
No, this is your third outfit. You look beautiful.
Are you certain? I want to make first impression.
You look fine, Adaeze, okay? Fine. I know that you might feel really nervous because you're meeting your in-laws for the first time. That's normal. But trust me, you don't have to worry. All you gotta do is breathe and you'll be fine.
What if something goes wrong?
What could possibly go wrong?
What if they don't like me?
You're carrying their grandchild already. Now if they don't like you, they'll have to learn how to like you, okay? All you have to do is breathe and relax, okay? Yes, you're doing fine. Good.
Jide is calling. I have to go meet him now.
Okay, fine. Ada, breathe. I wish you luck, girl. Bye-bye. God, Adaeze. Drama queen.
When? Are you okay, babe?
I'm nervous. What if your mom disliked me? What if he has preconceived notion about my tribe?
Relax. My mom is not concerned about that. I'm sure she'll be excited to meet the first mother of our grandson.
Really?
Hey, come on, don't turn red on me now. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh, that's very, very funny. Gina in the building. Welcome. You're welcome.
Mommy.
How are you, my dear son? You're
welcome.
Dad.
Love you, Dad.
Sure.
Please, Mom, Dad, this is Adaeze, my fiance.
Good day, Mom.
How are you?
Thank
You look
Mom.
so
I'm
beautiful.
fine. Thank you, Mom.
Hey, please, do have your seat. Standing for too long is not too good for the baby, you know that.
Thank you, Mom.
Am I being sidelined here?
No way. I'd rather fight a bull. This is my sister. She's the fighter.
Hello,
You're
sis.
welcome. You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
Ah.
I am so sorry I'm late. Sister me. Mommy.
Would have eaten
Mommy.
all the food.
Mommy.
Yeah, welcome.
Yes, sir. Daddy, how are you now?
I'm fine.
Brother. GD, my man.
Hey, where's your fiance?
His fiancée would rather travel for business than meet her future in-laws.
It's nice.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Meet Adaeze, your brother's fiance.
Wait. This is a joke, right? Where are the cameras today? Where are the cameras? I don't...
Is something wrong?
Baby. Mommy, why did you introduce my fiancé as Jide's fiancé? What's going on here?
What? Hey! Why did my brother call you his fiancé? No, you stay away from here while I talk to my woman. Answer me!
You're hurting me.
Why would my brother call his fiancé? When you want to fight me?
Hey, calm down, both of you. What is it? Adaeze is the only one that can resolve this misunderstanding. Adaeze, please start explaining yourself.
I had no idea you were brothers.
While we were together, you were having an affair with my brother?
I had no idea, baby. I didn't know you were brothers.
You disgust me.
Baby.
Jide.
Baby.
Get off of me.
You're broken.
Pick up now. Pick up.
There's nothing left.
Baby,
Why are you here?
baby, can we talk?
Listen, whatever you have to say, I don't care and I don't want to hear.
Your anger is understandable, but you should be willing to listen for the sake of our child.
What child? How am I the father of that child? Look, go elsewhere and look for the father, not here.
The baby in my womb is yours. I'm not lying, believe me.
Adaeze, leave my property before I get you arrested.
Baby.
Get out!
Because of a woman, you want to kill yourself.
What is there to live for again now? What is there to live for? You see this house? The house is gone. I have lost all my money. The love of my life. The only woman I have said I will get married to. She is gone. What is there to live for again? What are you even doing in my house today? Just...
What? Give it to me. Give me this.
But you give it to me.
What,
You need to
what
stop.
are you doing?
You need to stop and stop
Leave me alone. This is you see your drink. What?
Okay, leave it.
What?
Get up. Get up, come and have
Give me
your
my drink now.
Get up, I said come and have your bath. Get up. Stop it. Want to kill yourself for nothing. Get up. Oh yeah. Did they?
Leave me now.
Did they? Stand up.
Don't hold me. I can walk now. I can walk by myself.
Get up, get up.
Leave me. Don't
get up.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
I'm standing here.
Just leave my way. I'll walk. What?
Oh yeah. Bolanle, I'll bring this bottle on your head. Get up.
I would walk. I would walk. Where's the way?
This way.
Come now, come.
You.
Is Bolanle in?
You have no business here. Get out.
Excuse me? I'm here to see my fiancé.
This is He's rich. I swear I've met useless people in my life. But you see you take the cake. I've never met anyone as useless as you before. Your relationship with my brothers is over. And the next time I see you anywhere around my brothers, I will forget you are pregnant and I will beat you to get.
This is a private matter between Bolanle and I. Do not interfere.
You're whining. Come on. You know I get crazy. Look, I get crazy for her. Look, I get crazy for her.
What do you have to say?
We will do something about our grandchild, right?
No.
Why do you say no, no, no? If we don't get involved, the boys are ready to abandon the baby.
It's not like I'm the one that got her pregnant. Your concern should be which of your sons is responsible for her pregnancy.
What are you doing here?
Imole explained everything to me. I've called my lawyers. All I need you to do is to explain to them your involvement in the matter. Come on.
Don't worry, I have everything under control.
Do you? Look, you are my brother. And I will not turn a blind eye to help you when you need my help simply because of a woman. Let me help you.
Thank you.
I've cleaned up a room for you in my house. Just move your things anytime you want.
No, please. I don't want to impose on you.
Hey, no, come on. It's nothing. We are brothers, okay? We are family. Anytime you want, just move. In fact, get your stuff, let's go. But for the meantime, where do I get drink in this house?
Your kitchen.
Kitchen?
Yeah,
Right.
no way.
Hope it's not shit or something.
Hello, Adaeze. I am not calling you to exchange pleasantries or chit-chat with you. I am calling solely because of my grandchild in your womb.
Ma, it wasn't my intention to hurt anybody.
You will have to accompany me to the hospital.
Do you want to get rid of my child?
No. I will not harm my grandchild. I want you to perform a DNA test to find out which of my sons impregnated you. So please get ready quickly. The doctor's appointment is in an hour's time. I'm coming over to pick you up.
Okay, ma. I was wondering if you could help me with some cash to pay my rent.
Ada, I don't have that kind of money. But I thought you collected this money from both Bolanle and Jide.
Yes, I did.
And?
But I spent it.
What? Everything? Jesus, Adaeze. Okay, fine. What about your savings? Don't tell me you don't have savings, Ada.
How am I supposed to know that things will turn out this way?
Da.
What am I going to do now? My landlord has given me 1 week to pack or pay.
Are you serious? But I have no idea what you're going to do.
Okay, can I move in with you?
No. I'm moving in with my boyfriend. And you can't move in with us.
You won't even know I'm there.
No. Adaeze, no. Listen, you have to move in with either Bolanle or Jide. I mean, they can't abandon you now. You're pregnant.
Oh my God. What am I going to do now? What kind of problem is this?
Ada, I don't know.
I won't make noise. You won't even know. I will just lock myself in the room.
Ada, no, don't worry. No.
I'm serious.
No. Ada, we know you are there. Don't worry. Call Jide or Bolanle. I mean, you are carrying a baby. You're pregnant. They can't abandon you. No.
I hope your plan does not involve asking any of my brothers to marry that wretch.
I will do what is right for my grandchild.
Jide and Bolanle have both called off their engagement with this girl.
The best is what I want for my grandchild.
How sure are you even that is your grandchild? What if she had this child for another man she slept with? Dad, look at what mommy is talking about now. I don't think you should let her go on with this, her plan.
Let us wait for the DNA test result. When will it be out?
It will be out today.
Please, once it is out, get your brother to come over to the house here.
Hello, sis. Yeah. How are you? What, today? Alright, no problem, I'll be there. Yeah, fine, I'll inform him.
Hello, landlord. My gate is locked. Why? You can't lock my gate without... You can't just lock my gate. My things are inside. Okay, what do you want me to do now? What do you want me to do now? I don't have anywhere to go. What do you want me to do? You won't go to me. Jide, pick up now, pick up. Hello, Jide. Jide, I don't have anywhere to go. My gate is locked. Please, can I come to... Hello, Jide. Why me? Why? 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 I don't want this anymore. I don't want it. I don't want it. What am I supposed to do now? What? Where do I start from?
Congratulations to both of you. You have finally embarrassed me. I can no longer walk with my head high with pride anymore. I now cower in shame before people. Tell me, how do I explain this? How do I explain this taboo? How do I explain this?
Mommy, what's the problem?
My will give me grandchildren, not grandchildren from the same woman.
What? This doesn't make sense to me. And what's going on?
Is that both of you are responsible for Adaeze's pregnancy.
Hold on. Is this a joke? How can the both of us father the same child?
I mean, how is this even possible?
She's having twins. Superfecundation twins, to be precise. Sit down, let me tell you what the doctor said. When a woman has sexual intercourse within a short period of time, while she's ovulating, it is possible for both men to impregnate her separately.
In all my years of education, and I never came across this.
Well, getting pregnant for two different men at the same time is possible. It's very rare to have twins by two different men, but it is possible. And in this case, it just happens to have happened to you two.
We will become the laughing stock of this community.
We need to think of how to handle this situation. Pacing and costing will do us no good. Please, calm down. Calm down.
No. No. I can't live like this. I have only one option. No. I can't do it. No. You have to do this, or you will die of hunger before you die of shame. There is no other option.
You. What are you doing here?
I'm here for your parents, not for you.
Imole,
Ma?
who is at the door?
It's nobody.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. What happened to you? Why are you crying?
My life has gone from bad to worse. Currently, I'm homeless. I've not eaten in days or even showered.
Stop crying, stop crying. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Stop crying. I'll take good care of you, okay? It's okay. Come. Come.
Thank you, ma.
Mommy, kí lẹ ń ṣe?
What is she doing here?
Who?
Adaeze.
She was thrown out of her house and she has been living on the streets all this while.
That won't answer my question.
She came here. What am I supposed to do? Throw her out? Remember, she's carrying our grandchildren.
She can't stay here. She's not our responsibility.
Now that your sons are determined to abandon these babies, I have decided to take the responsibilities.
Tell your sons to see me first thing tomorrow morning. I want to make this brief. Both of you should be responsible for the murder of your children. She will live with both of you in the same house. Do you understand me?
Both of you can hate her for all I care, but the welfare of my grandchildren can never be compromised. Do you hear me? I said, do you hear me?
Yes, Mom.
Good. Adaeze.
Ma.
Take very good care of yourself. Don't joke with your health. Do you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll come visiting from time to time. So you have to dance to the music.
You can take any of the guest rooms, whichever you like.
Baby.
Baby. Look, Adaeze, just get off any ideas you have in your head. Kill it. Okay? You're here only because of the babies in your tummy. And that's all.
I really want to thank you. I mean, your lawyer, he did a good job. He was able to clear my name, acquaint me of all the charges. Thank you very much.
It's the best in the game. Hey, you're my brother. Glad I could help. So,
thank you.
What's your plan?
Plan? What can I say? I mean, I was just trying to get a new job, Look for a way to get back on my feet.
Good. Good. I'm glad you mentioned that. Well, now you have to be very careful. There are so many dubious scammers out there.
Well, that would never happen to me again. Not at all. The popular saying, once bitten, twice shy. Nah. I won't go through that again at all, but for real.
I wouldn't expect you to.
I didn't hear you knock.
And why should I knock?
Courtesy demands you knock before coming into someone's house.
This is my brother's house.
And why are you here with bags?
Sister.
Hey, Jaidoski.
Hey, good to see you.
As from today, I'll be staying here with you and Bolani.
Mom and Dad, they're okay with this?
I'm a grown woman. I don't need their permission. Or am I not welcome here?
Please, you're free to stay as long as you like. Come here. Let me show you to your room.
Thank you.
Oh, this way. This way.
You are back.
Why is there no food for me?
As you can see, I am eating for 3.
If you must stay in this house, you will have to earn your keep. What are you doing?
I need my key. Just like you said. Is anything wrong in that?
Is this what you want? I am totally not attracted to you again. I hate women who cheat and lie. You disgust me.
Really? Did he just say that?
What are you doing in my room? Get out.
This is the only warning you are going to get from me. Stay away from my brothers.
I don't think I can. They are the fathers of my children.
If you do not stay away from them, I will make you regret it. It is very simple. Don't bother my brothers, and I will not bother you.
I wish I could, but I intend to marry one of them.
Olong Maje. Not in this life, and not the next. War is what you want, and war is what you will get.
Bring it on. Bring it on. Nonsense.
What is this? Adaeze! What? Adaeze! Are you deaf or you did not hear me calling you?
You called? I thought it was the dog barking.
Adaeze, what kind of dirtiness is this? Look at that kitchen. You do not do the dishes. Look at how filthy everywhere is.
No.
You better get up now and do those dishes.
Can't you see my condition?
See which condition? See, you better get up and go and wash those things. Because you see this your condition. This your round condition. I will carry it and keep it in one place. Then I will beat you well and put it back.
What is going on here?
Mommy, this girl is so lazy and dirty. All she does is eat, poo-poo, eat, poo-poo. She can't even clean. Look at this place. Look at this place. Filthy. She went there and cooked and did all sorts of nonsense, left everywhere dirty. She refuses to do the dishes.
Mommy, that's not true. She's lying. Due to the heavy chores I've been doing in this house, the doctor advised total bed rest. No cleaning, no cooking, no walking, just rest. And I've been trying to explain to her, but she's bent on forcing me to do the dishes.
Imole.
Ma.
But you can see her condition now, eh?
Mommy, you should be the first person to get pregnant. You're always taking her side, Mommy. I don't like it, oh.
It is not as if I am taking her side. But my dear, you try and do the dishes.
Mommy. Just for my hand now.
How are you, my dear?
Mommy, I'm fine.
How are my twins doing?
They're doing well.
Good. I brought some supplements for you.
Thank you, Ma.
Hey.
How was your day?
Well, fine, my dear.
So you finally decided to reach out after all this while?
No vex. I know been day country, but now I'm here.
But I'm sorry.
I forgive you.
So how have you been? Tell me, what's it like being with Bolanle and Jide in the same freaking house?
In addition to Molly. Hell.
Mole? Who's that?
The sister, of course.
Oh, you don't like her?
Why should I like her? She doesn't let go of any opportunity to spread false news, to lie to her brothers and parents about me.
Wow, that's bad. That's really bad.
I can't bear to be with her in the same house. She should go get married and leave my life alone.
Ada.
You know, she's the only reason I haven't succeeded in winning either Bolanle or Jide's hearts. She's always interfering with my plans.
When is your due date?
Anytime soon. I'm tired already.
It's part of motherhood.
Thank you.
Asa.
I just can't wait. I'm tired. You look good anyways.
Thank you.
Taking care of you, you know.
He is. He's doing a good job. It's good to see you, Ada. Fine girl. Me too. Oh, smile for me.
Are these not my snacks you're eating?
Does it have your name written on it?
Huh? And I'm avoiding temptation. Hey, see this girl, you're not even afraid. It's like you're looking for my trouble today. Oh.
Instead of spending your time doing something productive, you're here picking at me. Like finding a husband for yourself.
What? Give me my snacks. Mommy's not here for that drama. She's the only one that believes you when you do all this nonsense.
What's going on here? Please. Sorry. Gently. Sorry.
Have you eaten? I left the babies on the bed in my room. Now I can't find them.
I took them. They are with me.
Where are they? I can't see them.
I said, they are with me. They are no more your responsibility.
What? Where are my babies?
Adaeze, I want you to go into that room right now. Pack your things and leave immediately.
What?
Go and live your life the way you want it. You are now free.
Mommy, this is not the plan. I was meant to marry one of your sons. Mommy, you are kind to me.
That was your plan. It wasn't mine. I was only kind to you because of my grandchildren. Now, leave.
Where are my babies? Where are my babies? Where are my babies? Where are my babies? Mommy, where are my babies? Where are my babies? Mommy, where are my babies? Where are my babies?
Let me fear you. Fear her. Let me show my talents now. Throw her out. Hey, this is the best of my life. I should show my talents. Throw her. I want my babies. I want my babies. No.
Be careful about double dating. Look what happened to me. Think about the consequences first. Because the most bizarre things can happen when you least expect it. Don't put yourself in my shoes. Because it hurts. And it does hurt.